Hello guys, welcome again to Coding is Easy. In this video, we will be solving another problem in JavaScript. It will be added to competitive programming playlist once again. So in this video, we'll be solving this problem uh, called naughty versus nice, whichever wins, either naughty or nice. The problem is as follows. It's like we are given an object. Basically we are given an object, this object, right? We are given an object, and in the month of January, it has some properties in the form of months of the year. Like you can add more months over here also. I have added the 4 months: January, February, March and April. In each month, the one represents 1st of January, two represents 2nd of January, that is the dates. On first day it is naughty, second day naughty, third day naughty, 3rd January, 1st February nice, and then naughty, and then nice. In this way we have naughty and nice. So we have to calculate whichever is greater, like either naughty appears more number of times in this whole object of objects, uh, or nice appears more times. Either naughty will be appearing more times or nice will be appearing more times, and the third case will be a tie, that is either naughty will be appearing uh, more times or nice will be appearing more times, or both will be appearing the same number of times. So in this case, the problem is this, right? So you can take a reference, you can compare it with a person, like during the 1st of January a person remains naughty, or second he again remains naughty. Like during the 1st of February the person remains nice, 2nd of February person remains February. So you have to calculate throughout the year the person remains more naughty or nice. If the person remains naughty more, then you have to return the naughty from the function, and otherwise you have to return nice. Okay, if both are equal, if naughty and nice both appear the same number of times, that is the person remains naughty and nice equally throughout the year, then you have to return nice in that case also. There are three cases here: either the person will remain naughty, or the person will remain nice, or the person will remain naughty and nice both equally. So first of all, what we will do, we will create a function naughty or nice. Naughty or nice. Find naughty or nice, we can take a function, and this function will be taking an object. We can represent the object objet like this. We can represent the object like this, and this object will be this function will be passed an argument, this object. Any object, you can create your own object also, whatever you remain either naughty or nice. So first of all, we have to convert this object into array. So we will create an array from this object dot values. There is a function object dot values which attracts which basically extracts all the values from these arrays. Like we will be passing this object like this. If I console this, console dot log, just to show you, I am calling this function at the initial stage here. We will be passing this object here. Let's see what it prints. Node, the file name is naughty or nice.js. So it is giving us an array of objects which is having value properties and values 1 2 3, that is these naughty nice. So the objects are in the same form like they were, right? And they are enclosed in an array. So what this object dot values has done is that we have extracted the values of this object, not this inside objects. So that's why it did not extract January February, because we have applied the only object dot values function, not keys. So now we have array of objects. Now we can loop through this array. We will apply again object dot values, right? But this time with a for loop. So we have looped through this array, and we will convert each object into array again, like we have done above. So for that purpose we will array 1, we will create another array, empty array, and in that array of 1 of ith, that is for 0th index. In 0th index we will be sending the values from the, like for of iteration 1, this object will be converted first into array, that is its values will be converted. So we will convert array of I. So now let's see what it prints. We will cut from the console from here and we will paste it here, and now we will print array of 1. Now if we run the function, now what it returns? Now it returns the array of arrays. Why did so? Because we have extracted the values only from the inside objects now. That is, we were having earlier this. Now inside objects we have converted into array only the values. That's why it returns. Now we can apply a join function which will flatten the array basically, like const array2 is equals to array1 dot join. If we did do this, then it will return console.log. See, this time it did not return any array, but it's a string. Array.join returns a string because it has connected all the arrays. It returns a string. So now we have to split this string so that we can get an array. First of all, we will join this and then we can split it. Like const, we can create another array, or you can do in above array also, like array2 dot split. Now we will be splitting dot split. How to split? From the comma, right? We require the value naughty or nice, whatever is there. So we will be splitting from the comma. Now if we log the array3, then see, we have array of values, whatever values. So this is the final array we needed, right? Now we have to know only how many times naughty occurs in this array and how many times nice occurs in this array. For that purpose, we will loop through the array 3. So what I have done here is I have looped through the array 3, that is this array, and we will check the uh, during the first iteration it is naughty, right? The array element is naughty. If the array element is naughty, then we will add to naughty count, we will add 1 to naughty count, right? We haven't defined the naughty count variable, so we will define naughty count here, and we will initialize at the start 0 and nice count. That's good. So if the element is naughty, then naughty count 1 is added to the naughty count, otherwise 1 is added to the nice count. If the element see, if the element is not naughty, then it will be nice, definitely, right? So finally we have counted, we have the count. Okay, now in the end we will compare naughty count. If naughty count is greater than the nice count, then we will return naughty, else return nice. Do you know why we did this? Because if naughty person becomes the naughty more number of times, then we will return naughty, right? If person becomes nice, if he doesn't become if he becomes nice more times, then it will return nice. If he becomes equally naughty and equally nice throughout the year, then we will return nice. That's why I have put nice in the else statement, right? So this function should work quite well now. There are no logs. So first of all, we will check which one is appearing more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So naughty is appearing 6 times. Nice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice is appearing 6 times. So both are appearing 6 times. So what it should print? Nice, right? It has thrown an error. I is not defined. Actually, in the function, when we looped here j, okay, now we will run it again. So we haven't logged the value. We will log it to the console.log. Now it should run perfectly. Nice. Okay. So if I replace one nice with the naughty, so now naughty is 7 times and nice is 5 times. So it should return naughty, right? Naughty. So here is the solution. So you solved another problem in JavaScript. You might be coding skills might get better if you solve it on daily basis as I upload videos, or you can check out JavaScript from web also. You can study from there too. But solving these problems will definitely increase the your skills in Java programming skills, not only in JavaScript, because these are the problems you need to solve to grow your programming skills.